Previously on the agency.
Good evening, gentlemen.
You guys are here for the meeting?
Why? Hombre, easy no man.
What y'all gonna do?
One way
Peoples. Hey. Whoa.
Hurry, stop on my regard.
Bubbles and her team won't be here.
She'll be here shortly.
The Operation Island recovered 233 firearms.
How many arrests?
None.
Sorry to be late, sir. What did we miss?
Well, for one, you missed an action flick. But I'll bring it up to speed about that. Join us, please.
All right, sir. Boss. Big man.
Tony Ann, I said I would bring you up to speed. The only thing that rivals your quest for food is your fastness. Whisper, don't let me start ringing your bells.
Sir, I think we're late enough. We can just get to the meat of the matter, please.
Let's get down to business. First, I must tell you all that I'm very grateful for your dedication to duty. And in spite of a lot of obstacles, you have done very well. And that is in spite of some people taking credit for what you're doing. But we are understanding what the mission is here, and you're all dedicated to it. You have proven that. Now, let me just clear in people's minds who is doing what. Stinger, Pearl, Silent, and Shades. Shades, yeah. Will be taking care of the day-to-day lockup. You know things that are people taking credit for? The rough thing on the street? That's you. Whisper, you're going to do your normal thing in keeping the threats towards the agency on our front burner and deal with that. Tony Ann, you're going to improve on your technical ability in tracking people and letting us know who needs to be bugged. Angie, you know you're my right hand. You know, it goes without saying. Hold on a second. Pearl, we don't have no more taximan for chase down, so go and run the bar. Why didn't I think of that before? I need someone to keep track of what's going on with the warehouse and the guns. And I need two fairly adept and dangerous people to be able to deal with it. That is why I want you to work closely with Shades.
So up the silence, sir? Yes, sir. What?
Oh, you go shadow whisper.
Sir,
Hmm?
we can talk about this after, please.
Don't worry about it. We'll talk about it over a drink. Maybe at the bar. Or you could always start run taxi.
Sir, you finished with it?
So, Tony Ann. Huh? So the next time you decide to prove how much you missed somebody, try to remember we have cameras in these places. And I really don't want you to mash up my desk.
Sir, are we finished?
There's somebody going home too?
Sir, you have us to talk to. Dismiss them, please.
Okay, man. Everybody dismissed. All my little children.
Sir,
Hmm?
I want.
Oh God. Whisper, I know I told you to stay close to Vanessa, but I never dreamt you'd take her by your house.
Sir, I know you say to stay close, so we just use the opportunity to get a session with her to Destiny.
Have any one of you heard from her since she left your house?
Sir, she did leave upset, so I don't know if that's why she not take my calls.
No, that would not have taken her completely off the grid. And we're supposed to have eyes on her.
Sir, maybe because she leave upset, she just decide for lock with herself.
Have any of you thought of checking on her cell phone activity? Because I haven't been able to get anything from that direction.
So, sir, what you're thinking that she's missing?
Huh. It would appear so. It would appear that they're taking this thing up a notch. The young man that I interrogated the other day has been shot.
Chaka?
One and the same. Unfortunately, it appears that he's now the late Chaka.
I know this has something to do with majors or deal, you know.
You may be very correct. But what troubles me is this. God forbid it turns out that some harm has befallen Vanessa. How are we going to convince people that you don't have nothing to do with it?
Sir, you want me to do a deep search and try find her?
I have to think about that. Considering that you could be implicated, I need to do that search without drawing you too far into it.
Sir, I'll do the deep search. The fact that he may already be implicated, I'll do it and do it discreetly.